Hi seniors, today I'm going to show you how to request your final transcripts through Naviance. This is the only way that you can request your final transcripts is through Naviance, so it will be important to know and pay attention on how to do. So we're here at the home screen in Naviance. We're going to go over here and click colleges I'm applying to. And right now we're going to click, I'm going to attend the University of Northern Iowa in the fall, so I'll click that box. I'm going to scroll up and hit this button where it says Request Transcripts. And here you're going to be prompting what type of transcript are you requesting, and I'm going to go ahead and click the final transcript. All of our transcripts will have your unofficial SAT and ACT scores attached to them. You can go ahead and click ACT score attached if you would wish. All final transcripts will be sent through Naviance in mid-June after final grades are recorded and class rank is calculated. If by chance you need an unofficial transcript, you will have to go into Infinite Campus and print that off yourself. In case you're going on a college visit, it is a good idea to bring an unofficial transcript with you. So we've requested the final transcript with ACT scores, and we're going to request and finish. The last thing we want to show you is University of Northern Iowa. I'm going to go over here and click Edit, and this is a place in which where I can show that I've been accepted. We'll go ahead and change that to accepted, and we will save our college application.